Author: Maria Rose Malizia. I am an electronics teacher at the ITIS Marconi of Gorgonzola. Am I? In this lesson I will explain what are the control systems to my pupils in a fifth of a technical school class. First of all, I will explain what it means to CLIL and why we use it in our course. What is CLIL? CLIL is Content in Language Integrated Learning. According to Marsh, CLIL refers to situations where subjects, or parts of them, are taught off a foreign language with dual focus OMs, namely the learning of content, and the simultaneous learning of a foreign language. In this lesson I will explain what are the control systems to my pupils in a fifth of a technical school class. First of all, I will explain what it means to CLIL and why we use it in our course. Why CLIL? What is CLIL? With CLIL, the students learn same subject concepts and skill the foreign language. But they don't need to have a high level of foreign language, because the teachers have to adjust methodology and the contents to ensure learning. The control theory is a branch of science and engineering that deals with the behavior of a dynamic system, which undergoes changes over time. The science was born within industrial electronics and automation, and it finds many fields of applications. In this figure we see the complete block diagram of the control system with feedback. In the entrance we see the signal indicated with I for input, and in output a C signal for the controlled signal. There is also the signal E for error, and the D signal for noise. The signal F for feedback. We see that the disturbances indicated by D are also added in the output. The control system. Any control can only take within a time regime. The analysis carried out in the domain requires mathematical models, and it often becomes very difficult because of the differential equation that must be solved. Today I will speak on the Laplace as transformed. Thus, draw the transformation that are called transformed in the jargon. Fourier and Laplace as ones are the most widely known. It's possible to analyze this system using algebraic techniques within the frequency field. In this figure there are the definition of Laplace transformed and the definition of inverse transformed. In this figure there is the block diagram. The graphic representation of the system, or process, is made means of block diagrams or flow graphs in which each single step is identified by dynamic transference. Thanks for watching.